start chemistry lecture of solid state. So next continue lecture of solid state. So last lecture we studied crystalline, the types of solid. So types of solid: first crystalline solid, second amorphous solid, third ionic solid, fourth molecular, next metallic, and last covalent network solid. So next lecture we have crystal structure. Crystal structure. So first definition: the order of three-dimensional arrangement of particle in crystal is described: crystal, lattice, and basis. So like first, we draw a box or cube like three-dimensional. So in this dimension, corner point is denoted as dark circle. So this corner point is denoted as dark circle. So this is called as lattice point. So definition of lattice: regular arrangement of constituent particle in three dimension or regular arrangement of point is known as lattice point. Next point, basis. Basis means in this cube different types of particle, atoms or molecules are arranged like closely packed. So any one particle is called as basis. So basis definition: basis means constituent particles are strongly attached with each other and constituent particles are fixed in box or cube. So it is known as basis. So next, lattice point. We already studied a crystal structure is obtained by attaching constituent particle to each other. So this point is known as lattice point. Next new point, unit cell. Unit cell means smallest repeating structural unit of crystalline solid. So we consider as example in class. So class is made up of number of bricks. So brick is a unit cell, and this repeating structure of unit is known as unit cell. So diagram. So this is unit cell. So this is length is considered as A, this length is considered as B, and this length is considered as C. So it is three-dimensional structure. So A is equal to B is equal to C, and angle between this AC is known as alpha, BC is denoted as beta, and AB is denoted as gamma. So angle between three, 90 degree, means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So this structure is known as unit cell. Next diagram. So we consider any sphere or any structure of atom. In middle is center. So center is called as nucleus. So any sphere is situated in three-dimensional structure like this. So this point is known as lattice point, and this structure can be drawn using unit cell. This is repeating structure of unit is known as unit. So divided in four different types. So first point, simple. It is also known as primitive, cubic cell, cubic unit cell. And second, center unit cell. This center unit cell can be divided in three types. First, face center unit cell. Second, body center unit cell. And last, end center unit cell. Next one, types of unit cell. First point, simple or primitive unit cell. So definition of simple or primitive unit cell means atom is situated at corner. Atoms is situated at corners is known as simple or primitive unit cell. So last diagram, cube diagram. So in cube, different units are situated like this. So this different units situated repeating. So this is known as unit cell. So in simple primitive unit cell, atom only situated at corner point. So we calculate the corner point is total corner point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this corner point, the atom participate in this cube are only small portion like this. So we consider as full sphere like this. But small portion of this particle means shaded portion are participate in this cube. So we consider like a ball, sphere like a ball. So half ball we taken as like this, but this half ball is total circle means 360 degree. But in half ball total small part means half के लिए 1/4 पार्टी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है, तो टोटल बॉल मीन्स टोटल स्फीयर के लिए 1/4 into 8, so 1/8. So 8 into 1/8 is equal to only one atom or only one particle are participate in simple primitive unit cell. So in simple primitive unit cell, last point we discussed, A is equal to B is equal to C, means edge length A is equal to B is equal to C, means all edge lengths are equal, and angle between this edge length alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma in straight line, means 90 degree angle are participate in this cube. Next, second type of unit cell, face center unit cell, means we consider as example of cube. So cube as means atoms situated at corner and atoms situated as faces of cube. So corner participate in this cube are 8 corner. So similar to simple primitive unit cell, 8 corner are participate into total corner 8. So this is one atom this atom is considered as ball. So ball is situated in cube. So half part of ball are included in this cube. So 6 into 1 half is equal to 3. So in face center cube, the corners total atom 1 and face total atom 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 atoms or 4 particles are participate in face center unit cell. So third type of unit cell, body center unit cell. So atoms are situated, are corners and also in center of body of a cube. So diagram of cube. So corner, we already know 8 corners are participate in this cube. So 8 into 1 upon 8 is equal to 1 atom. And body center in cube, only one ball are participate or middle side in this cube. So body center is 1 atom. This 1 atom or particle means ball example. In this cube, ball is situated at center. Center means body. So body is 1 atom. So total number of atom in body center unit cell 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 number of particles are present in body center unit cell. Next point, end center unit cell. So in this end center, atoms are situated at corners and base or opposite side of any phases. So atoms or particles are situated corner and base or end of center of unit cell. It is known as end center unit cell, or it is also called as base center unit cell. So in this diagram, of cube, in corner, 8 corner are participate in this unit cell. So 8 into 1 upon 8 is equal to 1 atom. And base or 8 center cube means any two opposite face, means like this, upper face in middle and lower face is middle. So 2 balls are situated, means this ball are only half portion are situated in the cube, and this ball also only half portion are situated in this cube. So 2 balls means 2 phases into half portion are participate in this cube. So 2 into 1 half is equal to 1. So total number of atoms 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 atoms or 2 particles are participate in end center unit cell. So last types of unit cell, hexagonal unit cell. In hexagonal unit cell, diagram like this. So this corner is attached like this. This is hexagonal, corner is 6 in one face and another face are also 6 corner. So total atoms in corners are present 12 and the sphere like this. So we consider as ball, but this part, only shaded part are included in this hexagonal. So 12 into 1 by 6. So total atoms of corner 12 into 1 upon 6 is equal to 2 atoms. Next, atoms also situated as body. So body part. In this body, three walls are inside in this cube. So 3 and this full wall are inside in this cube. So 3 into full portion is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3 atoms situated at body center of hexagonal unit cell. Next, last, face. In this face, two opposite faces mean this one wall is situated in upper face and one wall or sphere is situated in downward face. Means two walls, but this wall or sphere are half portion are inside the cube. Means 2 into half is equal to 1. So total number of particles in unit cell is equal to 2 at the corner, 3 in the body and 1 into face. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 6 atoms or 6 particles are included in hexagonal unit cell. Again we revise the types of unit cell. First, simple unit cell. So atoms situated at corners means 1 are participate in cube into total 8 corners, so 1 atom. So rank of unit cell and number of particles are present in unit cell are only 1 atom or particle are participate in simple primitive unit cell. Second, face center unit cell. So face center atoms are situated at first corners. So corner 1 by 8 are participate in cube into total corner 8. So 1 and face center. So faces are faces of cube 6 into 1 half. Total faces of cube 6 and into half portion of wall are inside this cube. So 6 into 1 half is 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 atoms or 4 rank of unit cell for face center cubic unit cell. Next, body center unit cell. So atoms are in corner 8 into 8 are is equal to 1 and body center means 1 wall inside this cube means total 1 into 1 is equal to 1 atom. So 1 plus 1, 2 atoms or 2 ranks or number of particles are in present body center unit cell. Next, 8 center unit cell. So in 8 center unit cell, corners 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1 and in 8 center means 2 opposite faces. So we consider as 2 and 2 walls are only half portion are inside this cube. So 2 into 1 half is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 atoms or 2 particles are present in 8 center unit cell. And last we discussed hexagonal unit cell. So in hexagonal unit cell, so hexagonal unit cell is important for entrance exam. So first, corners. So total corner of hexagonal unit cell 12 corner into 1 by 6 part are participate in this unit cell. So total 2 atoms or inside the body 3 walls are situated inside the body. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3 and last in face. So face 2 For simple primitives is 1. For face center is 4. And for body center unit cell is equal to 2. End center unit cell 2. And hexagonal unit cell is equal to 6. Thank you.